What's up, guys? It's your girl Mac Cox with Maccouture Crafting. I am your quilty BFF, and on this channel we talk all things pop culture. And this quilt here gives a very kind of pop culture vibe. I like it. This is put together by, her name is Karin Rabe, R-A-B-E. I'm not quite sure if I'm saying that right, but Karin nailed this one. There have been some X challenges going around, like literally using the letter X in some kind of way. And I don't know if this was created for that specifically. I don't know if it's competed in any of that, but this quilt is called X Factor. And let's look at it. It would absolutely nail the X challenges, hands down. This has got to be one of the coolest quilts because there's not a lot to it. In theory. In execution, yeah, can't even figure out how she did this one, how it comes together and how it all works and how it works in color order and all of that. This is a totally original design, so we can't get it. There's no way that we can have this, but it's so cool. I imagine that when she's putting it together, this bottom row down here and this one here probably are very similar, and you can flip them upside down and probably use them and blah blah blah. You guys get it. I don't know. All I know is I liked it. When I saw it, I just stared at it for a little bit because it's just a cool quilt. There's no super densely intricate swirls and all of that. It's straight lined across there because it's really all about the color and the effects. I love this. I would love to have this in my home somewhere. This is the kind of quilt that if it had a price tag, I'd have been peeping to see if I could swing it because I really enjoy this one. I love the colors that she used. It's just good old Roy G. Biv, but the tone of the colors that she used, the value of the colors that she used, some serious decisions were made, and I like them. They were really smart, especially when you jump into this orange, into this goldenrod right here, into this yellow. There's something special about that. Pulling colors is not easy. There's a gift, that most people have that can do it well. Like, it's not just something that comes super easy to people. When you're looking at this violet right here into this blue until this purple, there are some tricks to pulling colors in a rainbow order that gives this kind of prettiness to it. There's something about that, and she absolutely nailed it. She's got it in every way, in piecing and pulling colors, in the quilting decisions. And is this one bound traditionally? This is a traditional binding. I was wondering if she faced it, but it looks like there is a traditional binding. I like that she chose just a simple color to go through. She didn't choose black. It looks like it's a silver gray, which just disappears when it gets to those saturated colors. It's not jumping off. It's just, it melts right into it. I like this, guys. There isn't a whole bunch to say about it other than I like it. I like the shapes. I like the color choices. I want it. I don't know what else to say other than I would love to have this quilt. Of course, I'm a rainbow girl, but even still, how modern this is and how sleek this is, it's kind of got a sexiness to it also, the way that it's leaning to the side in that negative space. This could possibly do well in negative space too. It competed in the wall quilts in Paducah for this one here, but I like it. I think it looks absolutely great. I hope to see this one in QuiltCon, because if it didn't already go to QuiltCon, I hope it goes to the next one because I think it fits. I think that it is just done so well. All right, guys, you know what to do. I have gushed over this enough. Obviously, I really like it. I pulled it. It's got a vibe to it. It's definitely my vibe. If you guys like it too, please let the quilter know in the comment section what you like, how you like the colors, how she put it together, and whatever else I missed. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Hang out with me. Come see what other things I do. On Mondays, we usually celebrate quilts. On Wednesdays, we usually talk about a random notion. And then on Fridays, there's usually a tutorial of some sort of something wacky that I'm doing. All right, I will check you guys on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.